Gotta be careful with fingers she holds up.
Yeah. I can see it from here.
She doesn't miss her boyfriend because he's not her boyfriend anymore.
Oh, she has.
She now has a husband.
But she has a boyfriend.
She has a husband. It's the same person. Somebody went and got married.
Gee, and just now you tell me you're married?
She hasn't even told anybody.
I got a phone call.
I wasn't going to tell anybody. She hasn't even told you. I had to tell you. She wouldn't take the words over.
With that baby.
Hey, and see these numbers
Hey,
yet?
brush
I
away.
know, because I didn't even finish doing the music.
Hey,
Oh, he was doing that.
Yeah, they two ran off and got married and then came home and told me.
They eloped.
Right.
And you like it?
It's Patrick.
Patrick, you know Patrick.
Yeah, Teeny.
You remember the one who slept on top of the covers?
Oh God, what's my
Yeah.
Yeah, you really liked him. He's such a gentleman.
Chest on that thingy.
So at least she married a nice guy.
Oh, so good to her chest.
And of course that's Olivia's father, that helps. Yeah, I would say when you have a 7-month-old baby, it helps. Baby. Say hi, Grandma. How about you cuddle with Grandma and Grandpa? And you shouldn't have your toothbrush in the room. I know, but it belongs in the bath.
That's why I have that other toothbrush in my bag anyways.
Yeah,
I always
that's
have to pack and chew Miss Kitty's.
Yeah.
That's cute.
We'll try that swag.
Well, she's been sneezing a lot.
And then we have to go home.
You go see, you know, you see Pop